Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of Managed Instance Group (MIG) in Google Cloud Platform. Why MIG is required in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll give idea about where can you use MIG in Google Cloud Platform so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, what is Managed Instance Group in Google Cloud Platform? Managed Instance Group are a type of instance group that is managed by Google. This means that GCP will automatically create, manage and scale the VM instances in the MIG based on your requirement. MIG are good choice for application that require high availability and scalability. You know guys, in GCP, a managed instance group is a collection of virtual machine instances that you can manage as a single entity. MIG are a powerful tool for managing large number of VMs in a scalable and efficient way. They offer a number of features that make them ideal for managing production workload. MIG are most common type of instance group in GCP. They are managed by Google and they provide a number of features that make them easy to manage and scale. MIG allow you to create and manage group of VMs that are common configuration. This makes it easy to manage a large number of VM and it also make it easy to scale your infrastructure up or down based on demand. Let's discuss some key feature of managed instance group so that you can learn more about MIG. Auto scaling, auto healing, regional deployment, automatic updating, load balancing. These are the some key feature of managed instance group. Let's discuss one by one so that you can easily understand it. Auto scaling guys, MIG can automatically scale up or down the number of VMs in the group based on demand. This ensures that always have the right amount of resources for your workload without having to manual manage the number of VMs. Auto healing means guys, MIG can automatically detect and replace the unhealthy VMs. This ensures that your application are always running on healthy VMs even if a VM fails. Regional deployment means guys, MIG can span multiple zones which can help improve the availability of your application. By deploying VM across the multiple zones, you can protect your application from zonal outage. Automatic updating guys, MIG can automatically update the software on the VM in the group. This helps to ensure that your application are always running on the latest version of the software. Load balancing. Guys, MIG can be used with a load balancer to distribute traffic across the multiple VM. This helps to ensure that your application can handle sudden spike in a traffic without overloading individual VMs. Let's discuss some benefit of using MIG in Google Cloud Platform as reduce cost, improve availability, scalability, ease of management. MIG can help reduce cost by automatically scaling down the number of VMs in the group when demand is low. That is the advantage of MIG group guys, automatically reduce your cost, improved availability. MIG can help improve the availability of your application by automatically detecting and replacing unhealthy VM. This is the another biggest advantage guys. If any one of your node is unhealthy, then automatically it detect and replacing unhealthy VM. And guys, the scalability, MIG can automatically scale up or down the number of VMs in the group based on demand, ensuring that always have the right amount of resources for your workload. Easy of management, MIG make it easy to manage large number of VMs by grouping VM together. You can easily perform action like starting, stopping, updating, configuring multiple VMs at once. Now guys, I hope so you can understand what is managed instance group in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, why is a managed instance group required in Google Cloud Platform? Because guys, the scalability, high availability, load balancing, auto scaling, consistency, and simplify management. MIG allows you to easily scale your application by creating multiple identical instances. This helps your application handle increased traffic or demand. High availability. In case of an instance within the MIG experience of failure, the MIG can automatically replace it with a healthy instance. This ensures that your application remains available and minimize downtime. And already we discussed guys load balancing and auto scaling. You know that MIG works seamlessly with load balancer, distributing incoming traffic evenly across all instances in the group. This ensures that no single instance become overwhelmed with traffic. Managed instance group can be configured to automatically adjust the number of instances based on factor like CPU utilization, custom metrics, or other specified criteria. This helps in optimizing resource usage and cost efficiency. Consistency, guys, the instance group, especially when used with the instance template, ensure that all instances within the group have the same configuration. This promote consistency and reduce the potential for configuration error. Simplifies management. Managing individual instances manually can be consuming and error prone. MIG streamline the management process by allowing you to treat multiple instances as a single entity, make it easier to perform the tasks like update, scaling, load, and balancing. As you know guys, now guys, I hope so you can understand why MIG is required in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, you think now where can you use the MIG in Google Cloud Platform? I will guide you guys. Manage instance group are versatile tool that can be used to manage a wide variety of workload in Google Cloud Platform. Here are some specific example of MIG where MIG are commonly used. As you can see here guys, deploying and managing web application, running batch jobs, hosting databases, running centralized application, and more. MIG are an ideal way to deploy and manage the web application that need to be scalable and highly available. They can automatically scale the number of VMs in the group up or down based on the traffic demand. They can automatically detect and replace unhealthy VMs. Running batch jobs. Guys, MIG can be used to run the batch jobs that need a lot of compute resources. They can automatically provision the VMs needed for the jobs, then automatically destroy them when the job is finished. MIG can be used to host databases that need to be highly available. They can be configured to use the zonal and regional deployment. They can be integrated with the load balancer to distribute traffic across the multiple VM. Running a centralized application guys, MIG can use to run the centralized application that to be scalable and highly available. They can integrate with Kubernetes, manage the deployment and scaling the containerization application. Guys, the stateless application, MIG are well suited for stateless application where each instance can handle the request independently without relying on shared state. This enable easy scaling and replacement of instances. Dev and test environment. You know guys, you can use MIG to create and manage development and testing environment, ensuring that they can be easily replicated and scaled as needed. Now guys, I hope so you can understand where can you use the manage instance group in Google Cloud Platform. And thank you and have a great day.